yeah, I was just noticing just repetition and iteration and just lots of things repeating, I guess. I mean, this one's kind of tell, but yeah, just like the layers of different, like there's different places where they organize it. Like, I don't know, maybe it's not the best one or the other. But yeah, I was just looking closer at the materials and how they actually get built up and create interest. How there's like so many little things that make a big thing, and it's yeah, just repeating. I guess I was just looking at how things work. Yeah, and like not only do things repeat, but the trees around it and the context also repeat. So I feel like there's lots of things. But yeah, I think I was more interested in the actual objects repeating.
Where is it?
This was, I think this was near one of the, I forget now.
Today.
I don't know. This was just off one of the beaten paths, but I feel like there was a lot of like hillsides like this and of just places, and then they'd have the same bibs on and that, and then beanies on, and they're all like Buddhas with like Stonehenge behind them, and I'm not really sure what they are, but just instead of just being one massive central thing that you focus on, it just seems like there's lots and lots of little iterations that are almost just practicing technique in a way, and just almost just seeing how many times you could do it, and if you get better at it, it's hard to tell. And then yeah, I was just looking at patterning as well, and just cloths, fascia, and then just like the repetition of these painted columns, how they start to read as almost like a graphic, and it gets darker, and just the way you perceive things it just changes. Just especially when it's just black and white, it becomes more simple in a way. Yeah, just repeating all those. Just the repetition of the structure going down. Yeah, just the repetition. Yeah, and have like panels are repeated and it gives it a different scale as well. This is the big one. I like the patterning changes with the different scales of the symbols we're trying. I guess there's just lots of little things that make up, the structures. It's not like the main structure, and then as well, they just, or this one in particular is repeating, but it's not really necessary because they don't go beyond the first floor, so it's just repetition and maybe practicing technique.
So different kinds of repetition.
Yeah, I think just like parts of the whole, I think it's like what it is, and I think and sometimes the parts are objects in themselves, and sometimes the parts are the whole. mean, I think Kyoto especially just because there's more historical buildings like this. So now it's like the repetition's different. It's just, and now it's just like the stairs in the building now. I feel like make up the facade of most buildings, and then it's, it's just brick or concrete. I feel like it's just more monolithic now. But back then, there was just like micro parts of the wall.
Any question?
Have you noticed why sometimes the repetition is either structural or to give a specific aesthetic, or it actually has a meaning, like a religious meaning?
I mean, I don't know if it's between the I mean, I think they integrate them both. I don't know. I think it's just. I mean, I think it just looks more ornate than all the ornamentation. I think it's.
Because I would guess this is more like repetition as in the structure wise and aesthetic wise, and then you have the lamps, the stone lamps.
Yeah. Well, yeah, those are the objects. And those are,
Yeah, I know, but
these are
those
the parts of the
objects,
wall.
we think those are placed like that for religious purpose, or more for just aesthetic of we have a lot of lamps, but I don't know.
Maybe it's tradition. Maybe it's religious. Maybe it's. Yeah, I don't know how religious it would be, but.
In the second day, in the beginning, we went to the. Did you miss that one? With thousand different.
Yeah. And that was like another thing that you can take pictures of. So
that is different from this maybe, and that one is different from that light stone. Light stone, different person donate money, and then they have the right to, and they have a meaning to do it. Okay. So it's I don't know, it's like a bottom up.
Yeah.
Way of
So yeah, I guess I noticed that in interiors as well. It just we just weren't allowed to take pictures like without some.
Yeah.
Buddha is obviously like a better example of what I'm giving, but.
So there are some pictures that will weaken your story about repetition.
Yeah.
There are some that fit to you. You should go to Fushimi Inari. You see the torii, the gate. It's like almost entire mountain covered.
What?
It's a shrine near Kyoto. With a some gates.
Oh, gates.
You just go through and go up. It's all like red. Walls are red. You should check that.
This one?
Yeah. Thank you.
Is that here?
It's near.
It's Kyoto.
Okay.
Alright.